welcome back to another video. And so today I'm going so in a few videos previously we have learned the actual history of Mars and how it supported life. If you have not seen the video, the link is in the description down below. Anyways, let's continue this video, and this video is about how we can colonize Mars. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and the founder of SpaceX, has made a mission for relocating humanity on Mars. Yes, that red planet right there that doesn't support life. So this mission is not a regular mission. This mission will be one of the hardest and the most expensive missions in the history, because this mission costs around $10 trillion. Yes, $10 trillion. So first of all, this mission will be first carried out in 2022, which will when two cargo missions will be sent over there on Mars, so that the cargo will be laid out over there. SpaceX is trying its hardest to make the best rockets ever and the most modern rockets ever. So they are first going to send some cargo and a greenhouse over there from the two missions, so that they can make a house, I mean a base, whatever. And now this red planet that is known for its storms and everything is now going to be colonized by humans finally. While the moon landings were only temporary stays, SpaceX is planning to stay there for a pretty long time. So Mars landing is a very 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 hard thing over here. And yeah, it's a very hard thing, because and they also can't rely on cheap Russian rockets, because nobody is going to rely on 1960s technology, and who knows when it can get worse, whatever. And so the first thing the humans will get there is to assemble their base and everything over there. But yes, again, this costs a lot of money, and Elon Musk is actually the third richest person in the world. So yeah, so they are so the plan is that whenever there is a problem on earth, or all of the stuff is all the resources are gone, then they will send humans to Mars to live, all of the humans, because Mars is slightly bigger than Earth. And so this will grow, a base will grow and grow and grow, and finally become into a city by 2050, 2050, you can say. So the first a mission called the Starship was actually launched last year, and that actually failed a few times. And the Starship is actually one of the first reusable rockets that will bring rovers and people from and to Mars. So this is the Starship right over here, which launched in 2020. This is the Starship. So this is one of the main rockets that will be going to Mars. This is it. And yeah, but there are also a lot of things that they will have to do before they reach Mars and everything. As I said before, two cargo missions will be carried out, and in that two cargo missions, a boring system, or no, not that boring that you are thinking about, boring. It's still the same spelling, but it's a little different. A digging thing, because NASA predicts that there is water on Mars, which is actually underneath 8 kilometers down, because it's underground water. So if they try to dig over there, then it is a possibility that they will be able to find water and colonize Mars by putting plants on it. For now, they are going to rely on the SpaceX technology to reach Mars over there, because SpaceX have the most modern technology ever in rockets. And yes guys, that was it for this video. If you liked my video, subscribe and tell me if you think they will be successful for doing this. So, and another thing that Elon Musk said, that this idea was to be starting with a village right over there, and from that village that will grow into a town, and that town will turn into a city, then multiple cities, and then countries like we have on earth. We still don't know what else is coming in the future, and in 2023 they are going to send a Japanese millionaire. Who is this? I don't actually remember the name, but they will actually be sending him on the first mission ever, the next ever mission to moon, because for practicing how the gravity of for practicing. So yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Goodbye.